Welcome friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today. Welcome, welcome, come and see. English is fun with Pete and me. Clap your hands and shout hooray! English with Pete will play today.
Hello community, this is Pete and welcome to English with Ajo Pete. Today we're going to have some fun learning about whose and the possessive case. Nice and easy. Let's get started. We use the word whose to ask about possession to find out who something belongs to. Singular example, if we see a watch, we can ask, whose watch is this? We can answer, it's Tom's watch, or simply, it's Tom's. Plural example, if we see some headphones, we can ask, whose headphones are this? We can answer, they're Laura's. They're Laura's. So remember, whose asks the question and the possessive apostrophe plus s shows the owner. Use its for singular and their for plural. Splendid, isn't it? Now it's your turn. Look at the objects and choose the correct option. Are you all set, guys? I know you are. There you go. Whose glasses are these? If you said the ones, brilliant effort. Whose car is this? It's Lucas. Fantastic. Whose pencils are this? They're Mia's. Marvelous. Whose umbrella is this? It's Mila's. Well done. Whose book is this? It's Rodrigo's. Excellent. Whose scissors are this? They're Diego's. Splendid. Great job, community. You've learned how to
ABC
use
and 1, 2,
whose
3.
and the possessive
Easy
case in
as
British
a
English.
buzzing bee.
Don't forget to
Words are
subscribe
friends,
and
they
like
help
this
you grow.
video.
Step
See you
by
in the
step,
next
we'll let them
episode.
flow.
Cheers,
Welcome, welcome, come
mate.
and see.